1970 Chevrolet El Camino SS, the Tribute, the black one. Have you seen this one?
Yeah, well, I've seen them all.
You can't be looking through your phone.
I got to yeah, that one.
Yeah, that one. 454.
Yeah.
Black over black. Just a nicely done Tribute. It's got the aluminum heads, or as the British say, aluminium. And the 12-bolt rear. And it's just a really well-done Tribute. And it's nice to see these Tributes because not everybody can afford a true SS, 396
right.
El Camino or Chevelle or Camaro or any of those General Motors products that had those, because they have gotten pricey.
They are.
I mean, a 396 true SS El Camino is probably 60, 70, maybe even higher, depending on the level of restoration. And it's just supply and demand, it seems to be. There's so many more people in this world that are becoming a part of this hobby that they just keep, that drives the prices up.
Yep.
And if, everybody, how many cars do we have that we sell that we get 10 more phone calls in the next week that we've had nothing on for, 3 months, and then all of a sudden everybody wants it?
It's weird how that happens, actually.
It happens a little bit more than normal. So, but anyway, the 70 Chevelle or El Camino, great car.